back, there seems to be a CT scan Khatakhat model fallout that has now been reported in Karnataka. Where as far as the CT scan services of several districts of Karnataka that were briefly suspended after the pending government payments to the diagnostic service provider, and the district surgeon of Dharwad has now written to the DC that as far as when it comes to one of the diagnostics areas, the places that has been providing CT scan services in 13 districts of Karnataka under public-private partnership model. However, the company had suspended the services on the 18th and 19th of February due to non-payment of bills at government level. Now, authorities say that the issue is currently being discussed with the government. Meanwhile, emergency CT scan services were resumed from the 20th, and officials added that alternative arrangements have been made to prevent inconvenience to patients. Well, even when it comes to the treatment there, Navya, there seems to be a lot of inconvenience to the patients, including when it comes to CT scans and MRI services that are being provided at Dharwad Institute. And what is being said that all of this is a matter that has now been submitted to the DC for information and further action.
Well, yes, now we have learned that the district surgeon of Dharwad has written to the district collector that Krishna Diagnostics, which had been providing the CT scan services in 13 districts of Karnataka under the PPP model, has suspended the services earlier on February 18th and 19th due to the non-payment of bills at the government level, while they also issued that this matter is currently being discussed by the government, and meanwhile emergency CT scans were resumed from February 20th. Now they have also added that the alternative arrangements had been made to prevent inconveniences to patients, including MRI services at the Dharwad Institute of Mental Health and Karnataka Medical College. While the matter is now being submitted to the DC for information and further action, while we'll have to also note that most of the patients, in fact, they suffered due to this suspension of CT services which were at need, Amita.
All right. Well, that seems to be, as far as the government's point of view, saying that the release of the payments will only happen after proper verification. But over the non-payment, we're looking at the stress that has now been added, especially when it comes to the public services there. That is now added to the patients' woes in Karnataka.